Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I thought I will share my travel experiences on the trip to Switzerland. So last year in 2019 me and my family we went on a tour to Switzerland. So I thought I will share my overall experience and the itinerary what we had followed throughout that trip. Actually, we had a friend who had already visited Switzerland, and they shared us their itinerary, and we made some changes in that itinerary, and then we followed that one. I thought if I share this itinerary with you guys, it might be helpful to one or other people for them to to know what are the places they should visit and what are the things they have to do there. So actually our trip was a 5-day trip and it is very difficult to cover everything in this one video. So we thought we will do a series on this Switzerland trip. So I thought like first I will show you what the itinerary which we followed, and then in the upcoming videos I will post the places which we visited. Like we visited rainfalls, Jungfrau, which is the top of Europe, and like we thought we will cover all the beautiful scenarios and sceneries over there, and we will give you the actual picture of what it is and what we did there. And as everyone will have a dream about being to Switzerland, similarly even I had a dream during my childhood. So like whenever my family members used to ask me like where you want to go, which place you want to visit in future once you grow old, I immediately used to say that I wanted to visit Switzerland. Like Switzerland was my dream place, and last year that dream come true moment happened. So it was a very nice experience, and whenever in the childhood also when we play this name place animal things, I used to write Switzerland when we hit the letter S. So I was that much fond of the place Switzerland, and I was really very happy to be there, and it was like very nice experience which we had. Since like I went with my kids, like who is like 2 years of age, and my elder son is like 6 years of age, it was a little difficult for me to cover many places in Switzerland in that 5-day tour. But I think we made a good coverage of that entire in the entire trip. So I will share you my itinerary. Then you can make your changes like how you want. If you want to cover it in 3 days, like you can do it, because whatever the places we visited, it is like we can be covered within 3 days also. If you don't have any kids or if you are a bachelor, then it is you can cover those places very easily in 3 days. And like we wanted to be away from the city, so we didn't want to stay in the city, Zurich city. So we thought we will stay in any of the villages, and we chose Wengen and Lucerne, and we stayed there only. I will share you my itinerary in this video, and if you're planning or if your friends are planning to go to Switzerland, then you can share this itinerary with them, and they can make whatever changes they want, and they can customize it to their expectation. And I will also in the last I will also give you the tips on how to control the budget of the tour. So Switzerland is a very costly place, very expensive, and each and everything is very expensive. So I thought I will share you tips what we had taken to reduce the cost or reduce the money which we spent there. That will be my last video of this series. Like I have planned to put some 5 to 6 videos in this series, and this video I will start with the itinerary. And please follow, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of the series which I will be posting on the Switzerland tour. Thank you.